Mychelle. Mychelle.
What?
Come here. Please. Want to show you something.
My groceries.
I know. It's 2 seconds.
What? Oh, wow, that's a big.
That's strong like bull.
Holy shit! Thank God.
Go give Walters a big hug.
I know. Oh
Let's
gosh.
go.
How was your? So you don't have to hurt your wrist anymore? What is
Oh,
this?
I'll let you open it. Very heavy.
It's light, like,
It's like we're bringing out a vodka bottle.
Michelle, we already brought in the TV last year.
What?
We already brought in the TV.
All right, can I open it and you'll see? Mychelle, now I can vacuum. 21 feet. I can vacuum from the neighbor's house.
Holy shit! That way you haven't been down.
That pole has been poles put together 8 years times however many years my uncle had it. So this is our first.
Been doing a lot of skimming.
This is our first vacuum pole. Telescoping.
Telescopic.
All right. Huh, I've been waiting for this.
150 grand a year. That can even use it telescopic.
Yeah.
Holy shit, that's long.
Here we go. No, that was too easy.
Well, that added on to wow.
Edamame.
Bob Attababy eats a boy.
Yeah, let's get back to Jim Abbott.
Oh yeah, I brought. Oh, I passed someone on 322.
Who?
I didn't get their name.
Jim Abbott tried to flip him off and he couldn't.
Oh, it's backwards.
Holy fuck, this thing.
Or does this cap come off? Yeah, this cap comes off.
Aaron, what the fuck would you do without people like us?
I wouldn't have a fixed garage door. Thank you.